Imagine an animal that has survived for over 35 million years without a single male. No mating, no sex, no genetic mixing between two parents, and yet it thrives everywhere from ponds to a garden soil to even Antarctic ice. This isn't science fiction, it's a real microorganism called Rotaria, and today we are going to meet it up close. Before we dive in, a quick recap for everyone new here. This is a sample 3 collected from a small lake I camped near. I scooped this water up early the next morning. In the first video from this sample, we looked at the very first organism I found, a water flea, which is a type of Cladocera. If you haven't seen that one yet, there's a card right here, the top right corner. Go check it out after this. Today, we are looking at the second organism from the same sample, that is Rotaria. Rotaria is a genus of microscopic animals called rotifers. The name rotifer comes from Latin meaning wheelbearer because of the ring of cilia, the tiny hair-like structures around their mouth that beats in a pattern, making it look like a spinning wheel. Rotaria belongs to a larger group called rotifers, typically 0.1 to 0.5 millimeters, and visible only under a microscope. Despite being this tiny, they are true multicellular animals and not as single cell organisms like bacteria or amoeba. So, where does Rotaria fit in the tree of life? For the domain, they are a eukaryotic organism whose cells have nucleus, and they come under Animalia kingdom. And Rotaria is a true animal and not a protist or bacterium. They come under the phylum Rotifera, which means the wheel animals, a phylum of microscopic aquatic animals. And they come under the class Deloidia, the Deloid rotifers named for their leech-like crawling movement. And they come under the order Deloida. The animals in this order are known for their retractable telescoping bodies and lack of males. They come under the family Philodontidae, the family that Rotaria belongs to along with related genera. They come under the genus Rotaria, the genus we are focusing on today. Now, where do they live? Rotaria are found almost everywhere there's a little bit of water. Freshwater ponds, lakes and streams, damp soil and moss, even in temporary puddles that dry up and refill. They are one of the most widespread animal groups on Earth, found on every continent, including Antarctica. Now, let's break the body down into simple parts to understand its anatomy. Corona is the crown of cilia at the front used for feeding and swimming. The mouth and mastics, it's a muscular jaw structure that grinds up food like algae, bacteria and other tiny particles. The trunk is the main body, often transparent so internal organs are visible under a microscope. The foot is at the back end, often with toe-like extensions used to anchor itself to surfaces. Now coming to the most famous fact, the beloid rotifers like Rotaria reproduce through parthenogenesis. That's the females lay eggs that develop into more females without any fertilization. No males have ever been found in this group in tens of millions of years of evolution. Normally, biologists believe sexual reproduction is important because it mixes genes and helps species adapt. Rotaria seems to break the rule entirely, an ongoing scientific mystery known as the scandal of the rotifers. Rotaria can undergo desiccation survival, that is, when the habitat dries up, they lose almost all body water and enter a dormant state called anhydrobiosis, that is, life without water. In this dried state, they can survive extreme temperatures, radiation levels that would normally kill most animals, and years without water. When the water returns, they simply rehydrate and come back to life. a process filmed and studied extensively by scientists. Researchers have even found that this drying process helps them pick up foreign DNA from their environment, including from bacteria and fungi, a rare example of horizontal gene transfer in animals. Now, why are they important? Ecologically, they help control bacteria and algae populations and are food for small aquatic invertebrates, an important link in freshwater food chains. Scientific importance studied as a model for understanding evolution without sex, the DNA repair mechanisms, survival in extreme environments. Could similar organs survive on other planets also? We are not sure. So, the next time you look at a drop of pond water, remember it might be full of these incredible tiny survivors that have been quietly outsmarting extinction for millions of years, all without a single male in the picture. That's two organisms down from sample 3. If you missed the water flea, catch it using the card on the screen or the link in the end screen. If you found this as fascinating as I do, hit subscribe for more deep dives into hidden world of microorganisms and let me know in the comment section which tiny creature you want me to cover next.